Today we're featuring a 2006 Honda Civic LX. It's got 103,000 miles on it. All right, it's got a Carfax one owner. It's alabaster silver, metallic in color. I'll go ahead and give you the walk around of the vehicle. Make our way down the driver's side here. Everything looks like it's in good shape. All right, we're going to come around to the rear here, and as you can see, quite a few little, it's got some hail damage here, pretty much all the way across the trunk lid of the car. All right, side panels over here in good shape. Oh, we've got two creases right here. All right, back on this quarter panel. Everything looks pretty good on the exterior, on the doors here. Do look on the roof of the car. We also have some hail damage up here as well. Okay, it is a 2006 and it does have 103,000 miles on it, and it will be priced accordingly as far as the hail damage and everything like that. Okay, some more hail damage on the hood. Okay, but other than the hail damage on the panels, everything's in good shape. A couple little paint chips here. Okay, but this thing will be priced according to the hail damage. It will be a good price to sell. Scuffing right here on the side mirror. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside, and let's look here, a few scratches going along here on this pillar. Two-tone door panel, got the dark gray with the lighter gray. Power locks, power doors. Gray cloth. Alright, driver's seat looks like it's in really good shape. It is going to come with two key fobs. Passenger seat's in good shape as well. Automatic. Got your climate control there. CD player, AM, FM radio. Alright, it does have cruise control. I'll go ahead and show you the mileage. Okay, it's got 103,777 miles on it. There's your radio again with the CD player. Alright, we've had the air conditioner going now for about 10 minutes. Everything's blowing cold with the AC. No problem there. Alright, we'll go ahead and step in the back. Get your back seat. And step out of here. Door panel back here is in good shape. The interior of this vehicle is in great shape for 103,000 miles. Alright, it's a non-smoker's car. I know the exterior has a good bit of hail damage. Alright, but the inside, the carpet down here is even clean. Alright, no problems there. The inside is in great shape. Give you the driver's eye view of the layout. The dash. Everything looks good there. Go ahead and take a look at your trunk space. Carpet back here looks good. Plenty of room. Go ahead and step to the side so you can see the depth there. All right. Plenty of room there. We'll go ahead and give you another perspective of the passenger seat from this side, so you can really see how well this thing's been taken care of. I know it has some hail damage. All right, this would be a great car for a 16-year-old, somebody's first car. 16-inch steel wheels, the hubcaps on there, brand new set of tires. All right, once again, it's a 2006. It's got 103,000 miles on it. It's a one owner, silver metallic in color. I know it's got a little bit of hail damage on the hood, the roof, and the trunk lid back there. The inside is immaculate, been well taken care of. All right, be a good beginner car for someone. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.